Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture I am going to show you how to remove background from any photo. Look at, I already added a sample photo in our timeline. Right now by using this photo I will show you how can you remove background from any photo. Just follow the process. First of all I select this layer and I want to duplicate the layer. That's why I click right button and choose duplicate layer and press OK. Actually, if you want to remove background, then first of all you have to select main part that you want. So for selecting I will use pen tool because the pen tool is best for selection than other selection tool. But you can choose anything as your need. Such as you can choose quick selection tool, lasso tool or any types of selection tool. But I will prefer you for pen tool. Anyway, I am selecting pen tool, that's why I click here. At the time I will draw our area like this. Alright guys, after mark click right button of your mouse. Then choose make selection and OK. At the same time you have to go select menu like this. Then choose refine edge. After that you have to click here and choose new layer. Then press OK. Finally I will uncheck below layer like this. Hey guys, now see, our background has been removed. Now you have to save it. That's why I click file and choose save as. At the moment choose destination, I choose desktop and give a name like this. Then choose file type like this. For transparent background you must select PNG format and hit on save. Again hit on save. Finally I will check the save file, that's why I click here and open it like this. Hey guys, please follow. This is our transparent background. So guys, I hope in this way you can easily remove background from any types of photo. Thank you very much for staying with me.